Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to open WhatsApp on your laptop. For that, go to any browser and search for whatsapp.com. Then click the first link. Then there on the top bar, you can see WhatsApp Web. Click on WhatsApp Web. Then now you need to open your phone and scan this QR with the help of your phone. So go to your WhatsApp on phone and click on settings. Then go to link device and hit link device. Then here you need to scan that QR with the help of phone. Then WhatsApp Web on your PC will be opened. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe this channel.